Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sisi Yoruba. As you all know, today I'm going to be showing you how I made my low budget moin. If you know that you love moin very much and you don't know how to make it, please make sure you watch the video to the end, like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel as well. As you can see, this is the moin. It's so lovely. Please make sure you watch the video to the end. Here I am washing my beans. I had already peeled the beans and I am washing it, trying to rinse it here as well. If you don't know how to peel your beans, please make sure you state it in the comment section so I can make a video on the various ways that you can use to peel your beans. I have peeled the beans and it's clean now. I soaked it under water for an hour and a half. After that, I put it in my blender with some scotch bonnet pepper and tatashe and onions. Onions is very important. There I am putting my seasoning cubes so that I can crush it together. It's already well blended now. The blender is so good. It's blended it so smooth. And I'm putting my salt. That's salt. I've added salt into it. And that's melted butter. I love melted butter in my moimoi because it makes it so silky and fluffy. And that's golden penny soya oil. I'm putting it inside the moimoi. That blender is so good that it's very smooth. So I'll leave the link to where I got the blender in the comment section so that if you want to get yours, it's silver crest blender and it is very good. So I'll drop the link in the comment section. That's golden penny vegetable. I love it so much because it makes it very fluffy, silky and smooth. Beside the butter is the fish, and this is the leaf stem, the stick of the leaf. I put it in the pot already with water, and while that one is boiling, I am folding the leaf, trying to fold the leaf and fold the moi as well. Can you see I've added fish into it and I'm folding the leaf. Please, if you don't know how to fold your leaf very well, I will do a video on it. Please let me know if you want me to make a video on how to fold the leaf properly. So I am folding the leaf now. I'm folding the leaf. I've already done that and I'm putting it back into the pot. It is very important that you put the leaf stick in the pot with water before you put your folded moi because if not, the moi is going to burn really bad. And I'm covering it now. As you can see, I am covering it with the leaf before putting the pot cover, the cover of the pot on it. It is very important to allow to trap the steam. Okay, now the moi is ready and it looks so good. It was very delicious that everyone that took the moi was asking for more. Okay, the moi is very tasty despite the fact that it was on low budget. So if you know you love moi, please go ahead and try it and show me the results. Please send me pictures and show me the results. And that is my homemade eko. I made the eko at home. If you want to know how I made it, I will drop the link in the comment section. I made it at home and it's, trust me, it was really good. Better than the one we get outside. Okay, that's the moi. I'm trying to open it so that I can taste it. Yo, you guys, it was very sweet. The moi was very sweet and I loved the outcome. Even though the budget was very low. That's the eko. You all, if you have not tried homemade eko before, you need to try it. Thank you very much for watching. I remain one and only Sisi Yoruba. Ó dàbọ̀.